Hello dear subscribers, that will tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just you can't install Facebook on your iPhone, so you just receive errors, so how you can also fix it. So first you just check your internet connection. So just go to the settings. In the settings just open Wi-Fi. If you use Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, so sometimes it also helps. Another thing you can try to turn off cellular data and just turn on again. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have the service, so just go to App Store, just write here Facebook, and just try to download it again. And if you still have the server, so just try to restore your phone. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find general. In the general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide the power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have the server, so just check free space on your iPhone. So you will see in general iPhone storage, and here you can also just check free space on your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and bye.